couldn't have happened one day earlier, so I could have had a good title.
There's your content, Henry.
Yeah, I know, right?
They're not even thought of.
Ugh. I know, right?
These drills are right here. So.
I know. I mean, I get it needs to be loud, but there's. I mean, I get it needs to be loud, but it only needs to be 50.
Cool, it's raining.
Yeah, I mean, I get it needs to be loud, but that's way more than 15 decibels above the ambient sound, isn't
wake
it?
you up, you know? Drill you through your headphones.
I know, but still, that's why they have the sounder bases in the rooms.
I think I might. Dad said that he wanted.
You know, they just. I think it's before 10. The library's open.
School and something.
I don't know.
Like 8, maybe 9.
He said, if Renee's mom would pick us up,
Well, I'm going to the library so I don't get wet. Yep. Oh, you know what? I think that might be the fire department. Well, I don't know. It is? I mean, that was a fairly quick response, wasn't it?
It's a red vehicle, didn't you see?
Not
It's a red
really.
emergency vehicle. What?
Yeah.
Shut up, Renee.
It looks black.
You're black. Is it black? No, it's definitely a dark red.
Yeah.
Alright. It's definitely a shade of red.
Yeah, it's definitely. Yeah, that's red.
I had to confirm it. I wasn't actually sure myself.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it was getting suspiciously long since.
There it goes.
Lovely.
I got it.
I mean, it was suspiciously long since it last went off, wasn't it?
Yeah. You're running out of content there, Henry.
Yeah. Thanks, whoever set it off. Not really.
Like you actually.
No, I'm recording.
We were trying to play this inside when we were walking out, and it was impossible to hear over the fire alarm.
I mean, I
I
get.
actually have that exact model in my closet.
I mean, I get it needs to be loud. I mean, I get the fire alarm needs to. I mean, I get the fire alarm needs to be loud, but it only needs to be 15 decibels above the ambient sound level.
I mean, you're doing a lot of talking when you're nervous. Oh Christ!
I knew I should have run. I'm cold.
It's fast.
Yep. They turned the suckers off. Yep. Did you hear another siren? Nope. Probably not coming here. Alright. What? Are you kidding me?
That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
What? They
I was distracted by the fire alarm or the fire truck.
they were set the fire alarm, but yet what just
I love ladder
what the
trucks.
hell?
Everyone's walking in, but they're coming. Utterly
What
confused.
happened?
Oh, what the hell?
Utterly confused. That's why it's off. It's still cute. It doesn't matter.
Oh, he's mad. I'd be pissed if I was that guy. Oh, man. That blows.
See, if I worked at that fire department, I would hate this place. Absolutely hate
He
this place.
probably does.
You know what? You know what they should do? They should have a fire marshal
Do a donut
live
right now.
on campus, right?
And they just leave. Oh my god.
Just, yeah, they're you know what? No, they're just like that one song. Like, you know, they're just fuck this shit, I'm out.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Nice truck, though.
That one, like they are definitely
Not a tail
pissed.
swing, though. Something you gotta get used to.
Hit him, 100 points.
Hit her.
And that is where my phone died. Needless to say, the truck did not hit the student. That should have been obvious. But there are some people in my comments that would probably ask if it did. You know who you are.